Yes, hello again YouTube. Been a long time since I had a chance to make a knife video, but I figured on this dog walk I'll show you what I have in my pocket as for my Edc knife today. Fresh, looking for the snow here. The knife I have is the Kershaw CQC-7K. It's designed by Emerson. It's built by Kershaw. For those of you who don't know Mr. Emerson, he from Emerson Knives. He has some cool tactical knives, and he also developed the Emerson Wave feature, which I'm about to tell. They have it on this knife. A little bit about the knife. It has a thumb disc. It's a manual opener. It has a frame lock. It has reversible pocket clips. The steel is Edc 14 MOV steel. Has a stone washed and satin finish. Handle is just texture G10 in front and 410 bead blasted finish in back. Blade length is about 8.3 centimeters, which is around 3.25 inch. Close length 11.4 centimeters, around 4.5 inch. And it weighs about 141.7 grams. That's about 5 ounce, according to the Kershaw website. Open length is about 19.7 centimeters. Here's the little wave feature that I told you about. It basically works that when you have it in your pocket and you draw the knife, a little hook up there, the little wave hooks in your pocket, and the knife deploys when you draw it out. So I'll show you a little video clip of it later on. I actually dig this little knife. You can get it from around, I don't know, I think I saw it as cheap as down in $40. But I paid around $59 for them shipped, I think. Yeah, I like this knife. It's a cool little blade. Not much else to say. I like the weight of it. It feels like you have a knife in your hand. The frame lock has a lockup on around 50%. It was a little bit stiff in the beginning, but just flick it a couple of times. Also has a huge lanyard holder, so you can put some paracords if you would like some lanyard. Yes, that's it for me. Kershaw Emerson CQC-7K. Kershaw is one of my favorite budget blades, and I'm a sucker for CT as well. So yeah, I would like to recommend this knife, at least to get a cheap knife with some Emerson design, and Kershaw always makes some sturdy knives. That's it for me, folks. I hope to be back with some new knives videos in a very near future, and I'll stop this video with some footage from the rest of the dog walk ahead. Anyway, oh yeah, here's how the wave feature works when you draw it. And as you can see, the knife blade is deployed when it's out. Okay, folks, have a good one. Stay out of trouble. Later.